been grinding Fortnite for years and still can't hit that classic dance moves emote? Let me show you how, fast. First, load into Fortnite and head to the main lobby. Now go to your locker tab at the top. This is where all your emotes are stored. Scroll to your emote wheel. Pick a slot and select the dance moves emote. It's the default one and everyone has it. Just hit your emote key, B on keyboard or down on D-pad for console, and your character will bust it out anytime. Wanna style on someone after a clutch play? Drop the dance moves emote and let them know you've been here since day one. It's simple, clean, and iconic. Whether you're OG or new, this emote still hits. Smash that follow if you're trying to master every part of Fortnite, from movement to memes. I've got you.